guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So now it's time to do the must-do deals for Walgreens next week. Earlier today, I did post the must-do deals for CVS. There's a lot of great deals going on next week as well at Walgreens. There are some digital boosters, so I did post that on my Instagram. So these are the two digital boosters that became available. They weren't under any specific category. I just clicked on the weekly ad and coupons folder, scrolled down a little bit, and these were the two coupons. Now the spend 25, get 5,000 points is available in the weekly ad as well. There's a digital available now because I know most of the stores are not doing the paper ads anymore. It's all digital just to reduce paper and waste, things like that. So that one is available from the ad. Everyone should have that digital booster, which is awesome. So definitely check your accounts. The other booster I had is when you make 8 purchases and spend $12 each purchase, get back 7,000 points. So that's 8 different transactions that you have to do. It doesn't say. This one expires the end of July. So I'm definitely going to be hitting this for sure, just because I do like 1 to 2 hauls at Walgreens per week. So I have about 4 weeks to get it done. So that would be about 2 transactions per week. So you can do both of those transactions in a day, or 8 transactions in a day should be fine as well. And it says it's valid in store or on Walgreens.com. So I know a lot of hotspots are kind of popping up with the coronavirus again. So if you guys are wanting to do more online hauls and things like that again, you can, and you'll still get that bonus. If you don't follow me yet, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Make sure you head over there and follow me. I do post some additional deals on my Instagram, any new like rebates that come out, fetch rewards, different things like that. So definitely follow me there. So today I have 7 amazing deals to do with you guys, some super cheap laundry, hair care, you name it. So let's go ahead and dive into these deals. Banana boat. I'm really excited to bring this to you. A lot of us, it's super hot. I live in Florida, so the sun is really strong and really crazy, and it's great to stock up on some sunscreen, and now is the time to do it. So they are buy one, get one half off. And there is a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. There's also a $2 digital coupon currently. So check your accounts now, clip that one. And then next week on Sunday, when the new digitals come out, make sure you clip those as well. So for the banana boat sunscreen, what we're going to do is pick up 2 of the clear sprays. They are $11.49 each. So one of them is going to be half price. Then you're going to pick up 2 of the Banana Boat Moisturizing Aloe. They are $6.59. The second one, again, would be half price. Total is going to come to $27.11. The reason why you want to hit that price point is because it is also a part of a deal. When you spend $25, you're going to get back 8,000 points. So using that 3 off of 2 digital, I did find a $2 hang tag coupon at Walmart. So you can use that. It's $2 off of 1. There's also a $2 off of 1 digital coupon that's available right now. Using all of those coupons, you'll pay $20.11, get back 8,000 points, making your final cost $12.11 for all 4, or just $3.02 each. Definitely a great, great deal. Secret and Old Spice deodorant. So last week, I think is when it was, a lot of great high value digital coupons popped up. There was a 4 off of 2 for the Secret, 4 off of 2 for the Old Spice, 3 off of 3 for the body wash. So check your accounts now, see if they're still there, and clip them now. Next week is the time to use it. So they're on sale 2 for $10. And when you buy 2, you're going to get a $10, or I'm sorry, not a $10, that would be awesome, a $4 register reward. So if you want to do this multiple times, like once for the Secret and once for the Old Spice deodorant, you can. You just have to do it in 2 separate transactions because you're getting a register reward. So you can only get 1 register reward per deal, per transaction. So the deal I put together here, you're going to be getting 2 of the Secret deodorant. They are going to be $10. Using the 4 off of 2 digital, you'll pay $6, get back a $4 register reward, Final cost is $2 for both or $1 each. There is an Ibotta rebate for the Old Spice, but it's on the Old Spice spray deodorant, and I don't know if that one is going to be included, so we'll have to wait until Sunday and check online, see what is going to be a part of that deal. If that's the case, then that would make it a small moneymaker, which would be amazing. Pantene hair care is going to be on sale for $3.99 each. There is a 3 off of 3 digital coupon, and when you buy 3, you're going to get a $3 register reward. So what you can do is grab any 3. You can mix and match shampoos and conditioners. Using that digital coupon, you'll pay just $8.97. Then you're going to get back a $3 register reward. So your final cost is going to be about $1.99 each. At CVS next week is a little bit of a better deal. You're going to be grabbing 4 of them with the deal that I had put together in that scenario, and the final cost will be about $1.75 each. So if you haven't checked out the CVS video for the deals next week, definitely check it out. I will have it linked at the end of this video. Kelloggs Cereal. So this is a good Ibotta rebate. I know a lot of you guys are finishing or already finished your cash splash bonus, which is amazing. I'm sure some new bonuses are going to be popping up, but a lot of us have been posting so many of the rebates have been disappearing all of a sudden, which is kind of crazy. It happened to me on Checkout 51 yesterday, but a lot of it has been happening on Ibotta as well. So I checked today, the Kellogg's is there, and it is still available for next week. So you want to make sure that you're really checking your expiration dates on Ibotta. Sometimes it will disappear anyway, like it has, but you never know. So the cereals on my account are showing they have 3 days left, so it'll probably expire like Sunday or Monday. So I would do this deal on Sunday if this is something you're wanting to do. You can get cereal for 88 cents. That is amazing. So what you can do is grab one of the Kellogg's Fruit Loops, for example. You could do the Rice Krispies. You could do Kellogg's Special K. Any of the ones that are included, those are the ones that have the Ibotta rebates. You'll use a 50-cent digital coupon, pay $1.38, get back 50 cents on Ibotta. Final cost is going to be just 88 cents. So I'm really excited to share that with you guys. Ajax, if you like this for your dish liquid, this is the 28 ounce. So it's a really large bottle. They are on sale for $1.99. There is a 50-cent coupon from the 628 Smart Source insert that we're going to be getting on Sunday. Your final cost is just $1.49. Now for some laundry deals. So the current week has different products available. Next week has the smaller products available. So depending on what you need or what you're looking for, that's when you guys want to do the deal. So the current week, I did it in both of my hauls this week at Walgreens. The regular Tide, the 60 load Downy, the 120 count sheets for the Bounce, and the larger Unstoppables are part of the deal, buy 3, get 1 free. So next week, it's going to be on the Tide Simply, the 40 load Downy, the 40 sheets for the Bounce, and the smaller Unstoppable. So if you haven't checked out either of the Walgreens hauls from the current week, I will have them linked at the end of the video. Definitely check it out. Some of the transactions I paid as little as 69 cents. I did use some of those digital boosters. So next week, we have some digital boosters as well. And of course, I will be doing this deal, so stay tuned for my Walgreens haul on Monday. So what you can do, you can mix and match, of course. They're 4 for $8. So you can buy all 4 Downy or 1 of each, whatever you guys want to do based on what you're needing. So this scenario, they're going to be $8. Now there's 2 different places you can get coupons. One from the P&G insert, which I don't get the Tide or Downy or any of those coupons. I don't get Gain in my region, anything like that. So I have to print mine from pgeveryday.com, and it is a limit of 2. So I think you can use 2 from the PG insert and 2 from pgeveryday.com. I don't have any with me from the PG insert to read it. So just double check. If you can use 2, that would take $4 off, making your final cost $1 each. But depending on the limits, I just put 3 coupons here. So your final cost would be $5 for 4 products or $1.25 each, which is of course an amazing deal for some laundry products. And the last deal is on nice storage bags. So they are buy one, get two free. This deal comes around a lot, which I absolutely love. The freezer bags are my favorite. They're really good quality in my opinion, and I use them all the time. Just as like sandwich bags, snack bags. If we cut a lemon or something, we'll kind of put it in the bag and put it back in the fridge. So they're $2.79 each. You can mix and match whichever you want to grab. Final cost is about 92 cents each, which is cheaper than if you go to like Dollar Tree or anything like that. Those are going to be $1. These are 92 cents and they're a lot better quality. If you guys have any questions or anything, make sure you guys drop a comment below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.